One of the benefits of being a doctor is that when they purchase a property and they only have a 10% deposit, they don't pay loan mortgage insurance. With most of us, if we buy a property and we don't have a 20% deposit, let's say we only have a 5 or 10 or 15% deposit, then we do have to pay loan mortgage insurance for the bank to lend us at 85%, 90%, or 95% loan to value ratio. So why do doctors get these incentives from the bank? First and foremost, doctors are considered low-risk borrowers. They're highly trained and they're highly paid. And these are the reasons why banks are happy to lend to them with just a 10% deposit with no loan mortgage insurance. Which banks offer this so-called medico? We've got all the major lenders offering this medico policy. We've got the majors, which are ANZ, CBA, NAB, and Westpac. We also have second-tier lenders in my panel who do offer this medico policy as well. So we've got Bankwest, Suncorp, St. George, and Macquarie Bank. So how much LMI can medical practitioners get when purchasing a property? On the screen, we'll be showing you the different prices of properties and then showing you like different scenarios for deposits, like a 5% or a 10% deposit, and the amount of LMI that you can save depending on which lender you go for. If there are two borrowers, do both borrowers need to be medical practitioners? No. Only one borrower can be a medical practitioner. The other borrower doesn't have to be a medical practitioner in order to avail of this waived LMI policy of lenders. Are there banks that will lend up to 95% loan to value ratio and not pay LMI, which means the doctors or medical practitioner only need to come up with a 5% deposit and the bank will lend them 95% of the purchase price? Yes, I have two lenders who can do that. Give us a call and we can actually find out if you can qualify for these lenders and for the 95% loan to value ratio with LMI waive. What kind of documents do doctors need to present in order to get a loan at 95% with no LMI? If you're a PAYG doctor, it's the same as with all PAYG employees. You just need to present your payslips and your income statement. We can actually use that as proof of income. Now, if you're a self-employed doctor, you have to have 2 years ABN. And of course, we have to show your 2 years tax returns, showing your income. And if you pay yourself a salary, we have to show your personal statements. So there's two documents we'll be requiring from you: the company tax returns and your personal tax returns. And with these two documents, we can show the lender that you have the income to purchase. The last question is, which medical professions are eligible for this medical policy in which the LMI is waived with just a 5% or 10% deposit? I've got a list on the screen. Have a look at the list. Now, there are professions in there in which only one lender will cater to that kind of profession with no LMI. Doctors normally would be able to get this LMI waiver. But for the other professions that are presented on the screen, please give us a call. We will identify which bank is open to your profession not paying LMI, and we can actually discuss and try to get you a loan with these lenders. For most of us, the only way we can avoid paying loan mortgage insurance is by having a 20% deposit. For medical practitioners and doctors, they only need to come up with a 5% deposit and they can borrow the 95% of the value of the property and not pay loan mortgage insurance. As an example, you're a doctor and you'd like to purchase a $1 million property. So all you need is a $50,000 deposit, and if the income allows, you can borrow up to 95% of the purchase price, which is $950,000, and you don't pay loan mortgage insurance. On top of the $50,000, you also need to pay stamp duty for the $1 million purchase. In this instance, the stamp duty is $40,000, $40,305 to be exact. Doctors are in a very fortunate position. So if you're one of those in the medical profession and in the list that we presented in this video, please give us a call. My number is 0430-144-008. You can email me at mpapa@maverickfinance.com.au. Our details are in the screen. We'll try to get you the most suitable lender depending on your profession. Because as I mentioned earlier, some banks cater to these professions and the others don't. Give us a call.